How to delete Snapchat shortcut. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat and log into your account. Take a picture, then click on Send to. Then click on your shortcut. After that, you'll find three dots located on top right. Click on three dots, then click on Delete. Again, click on Delete, and your shortcut is deleted completely. If you don't want the shortcut at all, simply avoid recreating it. The workaround effectively removes shortcuts you no longer need. And that's how you delete Snapchat's shortcut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.